How to remove repost on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to remove repost on Instagram. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Instagram app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, just tap on the profile icon which can be seen in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are inside the profile section, there you'll see the multiple tabs at the middle of the screen. So here what you can do is just tap on the repost icon. And now here, once you are inside the repost section, what you can do is simply select the repost that you want to remove. And after that, once you're inside that particular post that you have reposted, what you can do is just tap on the repost icon which can be seen at the right side. So here just tap on it to remove the repost, and the repost will be removed from the Instagram. And that's it. That's how you can remove repost on Instagram. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.